In this clip, we're going to show you how to remove your piece of pottery from the wheel. I have my wire tool here, and there's two things I'd like to show you. I've thrown my pot on a bat, which is using bat pins, so I can take my piece of pottery off the wheel and bring it off to the side and use another, put another bat on and throw it again. I have bat pins, which are located right here on the wheel, and that helps to lock the piece of pottery in. What we want to do with our loop tool is run a little water underneath of it and run our wire up underneath the piece of pottery. That water helps the pot to hydroplane off the wheel. It also loosens our piece up off the bat.